investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. Anything that improves your own talents. Nobody can take it away from you. They can run up huge deficits and the dollar can become worth far less. But if you've got talent yourself, you've got a terrific asset.
Welcome to the Soya Investing Channel. My name is Colin, your average investor searching for above average returns. Today's topic is about foreign exchange, about changing money without paying those exorbitant fees that we pay. For example, if you look at, as a Canadian, I like to buy US stocks. So a lot of times I've actually got to convert this to US dollars. Right now it's 0.79. And if you were to convert that, okay, let's say 100,000, that's, you get 79,000 US. Okay, if it was a direct conversion. Unfortunately, when you go through, your broker, usually they charge 0.02. So instead of getting 79,000, if you had 100,000 Canadian dollars, you get 77,000. That's like $2,000. Even if it was 10,000, that's 200 bucks. Well, there is a way that you can save money rather than doing this, and that is the Norbit Gambit method. Okay, and the way to do this Norbit Gambit method is basically through this ETF called the DLR.TO. So right now on the DLR.TO, it's $12.68. So the lower the price is better for you to exchange US dollars. So here's an example. Okay, the way it works is that, let's say you buy with Canadian dollars DLR.TO. Okay, let's say you buy, let's say 10,000 shares of DLR.TO. Okay, at $12.68. So that's $126,800 you just spent. So 10,000 shares. Okay, once you've done that, you bought the DLR.TO, you actually just call them up. You call a broker and you want to convert that and sell it with the other ETF, which is converting it to US, DLR.U.TO. Okay, you cannot do this online. You actually have to call them, but they charge you actually the same amount. Just for me, it's just $9.99, and depending on what broker you are. So you just call them up. You say, I just bought the DLR.TO and I want to convert it and sell DLR.U. Okay. Usually the daily, as you can see, it fluctuates by a penny. So usually when I sell it, if you're not in a hurry, you can say I want to sell it at a limit price of $10.05 and make it good till cancel. Okay, that way that if it doesn't get filled in by the end of the day, you don't have to call again and wait on a line. So usually if you sell it even for an extra penny, if it's like 10,000 shares, that's an extra 100 bucks right there. Okay, so you just do the math. 10,000 shares at 12.68, like I said, is 126,800. And once it's converted, that 10,000, when you sell it, it's 10.05, you get $100,500. Okay, so if you do the math, 100,500. Okay, $10 to buy it, $10 to sell it. Okay, so you minus that, divide that by 126,800, your conversion rate is 0.7924, which is actually quite close to what it is trading right now. And that's way better than spending. So you're spending 20 bucks, okay, instead of letting them take like 2,000 if you had 100,000. Or if you have 10,000, you're spending only 20 bucks instead of 200. And one more thing I want to mention is that let's say, for example, you buy this price, 12.68, and then you just wait a little bit. If it goes down, then you can convert it. If it goes up, you can actually have the option of selling it. So if it goes to like 12.78, that 10 cents, if you had 10,000 shares, that's $1,000. You can sell it and make some money there, just making on the foreign exchange, and then wait until it comes back down to back to 12.68. So you kind of can do a short-term trade if you wanted to do that. So that's another option that you can do. So I hope you liked this video and you hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your time.